Hi, this is Tia and today I'm in this serene, white, beautiful outfit at a very, very gorgeous place. I am at Pash. Pash means bond with nature, and this place promises you to literally bond you with nature in every way possible. It is Pune's first and only multi-concept store that promotes sustainable living. Well, they've got a cafe, they've got a home decor store and a beautiful line of clothing which is all natural, environment friendly and organic. Can't wait to explore this place and show you what they have in store. So without wasting more time, let's go and talk to the principal designer and founder of Pash, Vaishali Karar. Let's get going.
Hi Tia, how are you?
Such a pleasure to meet you once again.
Thank you for coming.
And yes, she is Vaishali Karar. I've been talking about the principal designer and the founder of Pash. So Vaishali, first of all, it's always a pleasure to visit Pash. It's such a beautiful place.
Thank you.
Sustainable living, bonding with nature.
Yes.
Pash के बारे में थोड़ा सा हमें
Actually, Pash means is only nature. Actually,
Right.
in Sanskrit, Pash meaning is nature only, and my personal life is connected to nature only because I am a marathon runner.
Right.
So I go every day or maybe week 3 times in a week outdoor only. I am only outdoor person actually.
Right.
So I am literally connected with nature. So that is why Pash is now. Before it was a luxury store.
Right.
Now I don't know, because of my lifestyle, everything is like changing for myself, like food. Now I'm a vegan actually. So
Right.
cafe is based
Also
on
vegan,
the organic and vegan. And even whatever you are seeing here, it is natural only actually. Natural dye, natural fabric, everything is, you can see everything is related to nature.
Well, I still think it is absolutely luxurious whatever you're selling here because as you said, it's natural, it's eco-friendly, but it's top-notch quality. So I can't wait to try the clothes on. So what am I trying first?
Yes, actually you can try this cotton-based natural dye jacket actually.
Okay.
So it is all colors are naturally dyed actually. There are no chemicals in it.
No chemicals, it's
Yes,
naturally. You know,
yeah,
I
yeah.
am very, very sensitive. My skin is very, very sensitive.
Oh, really? So this is like
harmful
yeah,
chemicals is
yeah.
something that I'm sure that a lot of people like me who cannot take it. So I
Okay.
think this is making me feel very happy that it's natural and no chemical in it. And also when I look at this jacket, I am thinking, should I wear it with a dress or should I wear it with jeans? I think Vaishali, I'm going to try it with both.
Yeah, you can try it with both. Yeah.
Wow. This is so smart and this is so me. And the best thing is, as you said, it's naturally dyed and the fabric is really very comfortable and it's eco-friendly, sustainable, and most importantly, it's gorgeous. So this is the first look in the dress. How do you like it, Vaishali?
Pretty on you.
Now I'm also going to wear it with jeans and show you how it looks with jeans. So this is my look too in the same jacket. So yes, naturally dyed, beautiful color, very comfortable. And what I also like is the buttons, these buttons are all hand embroidered. Wow. तो एक चीज जो है यहाँ पर खुद से की जाती है. So beautiful. So yes, I'm at Pash with Vaishali Karar, having a great time here. So Vaishali, what is the next outfit?
You can try this our festive collection actually. This is
okay.
the Mal collection. You can just
So this is a ghagra.
yeah, this is the lehenga. It's a
Alright.
festive season collection actually. So you can. This is the Azmit collection.
Let me wear it, feel it. So yes, I am in this beautiful lehenga by Pash, of course, from their Azmat collection. And if I'm not wrong, Vaishali is also wearing this suit from the same collection. So tell me, Rajat, more about this collection. What is this collection about?
So this collection is all about a festive wear collection, and it also reflects the fabric, the embroidery,
Yeah.
reflects the love of Paitani for ma'am.
Oh, okay.
So she loves Paitani, she loves Paitanis,
Yeah.
and Paitani being the queen of all saris.
The embroidery technique is Gotapatti, which is from Rajasthan,
Okay.
and the motifs are from Paithani. I mean, inspired by Paithani sarees,
Okay.
which is from Maharashtra. So we have combined those two things together, and ma'am created this very beautiful collection, which is very soothing and very flowy. So
Absolutely, and very, very comfortable. Whenever you have to step out for an afternoon function, especially if it's a wedding, it's very stressful to wear Indian clothes. But if it's in this kind of natural fabric, I think it just makes festive wear very, very fun to wear, isn't it?
Yes, it does.
Yeah.
And now I'm in this beautiful sari from the Azmat collection. Well, I have to say that I really feel very, very cool in all the outfits that I'm trying from Pash. Well, when we talk about Pash, Vaishali, it is of course a very sustainable, the place itself is very sustainable, eco-friendly, natural. But you as a person who's the founder of this place is also very, very close to nature. You're also a runner and you've run across the globe in so many marathons.
Yes.
Tell me about your running and your marathon journey.
Okay, actually marathon I started because I am a asthmatic patient. So
Oh, okay.
doctor told me I have to do something excessive so my
Uh-huh.
lungs can be open and all
Okay.
the things. So that is why I started. First I was into spinning, then gymming, and I don't know why once I ran one marathon 5 kilometer and I don't know I got interest something is different.
There is something,
Yeah, that
some connection you felt with it.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So then I started running. Just first marathon was 5 kilometers, and now I am running full marathons actually.
And that is how many kilometers?
42 kilometers.
Okay.
And 4.5 hours is my time actually.
You
that
run
I
for 4.5
finished.
hours.
Yeah,
Wow.
yeah.
Look at the
So
number of medals and these
they all are my
bids and trophies.
temptations. Yeah.
Wow. So yeah, you're extremely passionate about nature is something that we can clearly say.
Yeah, nature, food, because I'm quite health freak person.
Yes, yes.
Because I like eating whatever is growing in my own farm.
Right.
I always enjoy eating that food actually, or maybe raw food or anything.
Yeah.
So that is why the Pash is
Absolutely.
related with the.
So whether it's the home collection, whether it's the clothes or whether it's the food, everything is natural here. And yes, this is the gorgeous workplace of Vaishali. This is where she sits and she designs and she thinks about the next run.
Yes.
Finally, it's been a long day. We've been shooting the whole day, and now by the end of the day, I'm sitting with this cup of coffee and chit-chatting with Vaishali at Cafe Pash. It's been a wonderful experience. Thank you so much, Vaishali, for having Team Tia Style Check at Pash.
We are also thankful to you actually, Tia, because even we enjoyed your company and your whole whatever you experienced.
Absolutely, I think it was a brilliant experience. Pash means bond with nature, and I completely feel very, very close to nature after spending the entire day at Pash today. After having the organic food at the cafe, after seeing their homeware, and of course trying their fabulous clothes from their clothing line. Well, how did you like this video? Do share your views with me. We'll be bringing the next video very, very soon for you. Until then, stay tuned.